Hi, this is Sean from GoShare, and I'm going to show you how to use the new GoShare Driver app. So this app is used to help you connect with customers who need help moving or delivering or hauling large items on demand. So when you log in, you can see that your account is listed on the bottom left. You can see your current rating out of 5 stars. And then if you click on the hamburger menu on top left, you'll see a few different options. You can review projects that you've done in the past under accepted projects. This will give you a list of all of the work that you've done and any jobs that you've accepted. You can also invite your friends to join GoShare. So one way you can earn more money for yourself is by sharing this promo code via text message or email with either family or friends or new customers. And they will get 5% off their first delivery, and you will get the job 1 minute before everybody else for giving us the referral. You can email it, you can share it on Facebook. It's really simple, and it does help our drivers get more business. We found that our top performing drivers are the ones who are regularly sharing their promo code with friends, family, and strangers that they meet who might be interested in using the service. Now, if you wanted to see if there's any new projects available, you can hit the New Projects button. You can see that there are a couple in here right now, so we're going to check out this one from John. It's from Monday, June 6th at 12 o'clock, and I can see the estimated earnings are between $158 and $178, which is pretty good. So on this screen, I could see all of the details, and you'll also notice that there is a countdown clock going on the bottom. So you have to wait 15 seconds before you can accept any job, and that's because we want you to read all the details, like the pickup date and time, which is Monday on the 5th at 12. You can see the pickup address, which is at Costco in San Diego, and the drop-off is on Mulholland Drive in California, and it looks like Los Angeles. You can see the estimated earnings. You can see your estimated time of arrival to the pickup address. So this is how far away you currently are from the pickup. You can see the current number of miles to pick up. And then also, if you click on See Map, you'll be able to check out a map of the pickup address down here in green and the drop-off address up here. So if we go back to the project details, click on the picture and enlarge it a little bit. It looks like 4 chairs and a desk. And if you look down towards the bottom of the screen in orange, you can see that another GoShare driver will assist you with this job. So now you have a choice of whether you want to accept or reject. It's up to you. If you hit accept, which we hope you will do, it will ask you to confirm that you want to accept, say yes, and then it looks like you've gotten the project. It says, please proceed to the pickup address at the designated time. Now, let's take a look at that same job and pretend like it's June 5th. So there's a couple of things that you can notice on the screen here. One is the project details, which if you wanted to double check that again, you can. You can also navigate to the pickup address. And then you have a choice between Google and Apple Maps. We prefer Google. This will navigate you directly to the pickup address. So all you have to do is press the one button, give it a second to load, and it will find your current location and it will direct you right to Costco, which is exactly 16 minutes away. We recommend that you give the customer a call at this point just to confirm with them the time, the cargo that you'll be delivering, and both of the addresses, and just make sure that the customer is going to either be there, and if they're not going to be there, they have a way for you to pick up the merchandise. Hit the call button. It will open up the phone app. You can also hit the Arriving Now button when you arrive. So what you want to do is you want to take a few minutes to inspect the items that you're picking up, make sure they're in good shape. And once you have inspected them, and right before you begin loading, you want to hit the Start Project button at the bottom. And that will start the clock, which you can see up here on the top left. And from here, you can begin loading, and then once you're ready to proceed to the drop-off address, you hit the navigate to drop-off. And again, You can open it up in Google Maps, and it will take you to the drop-off address from your current location. At this stage, also you can refer back to the project details. You can go back and look at the customer's name if you wanted to take another look at the photo. You can always go back and check out the project details at any time. And if for some reason you need to cancel the job, there is a cancellation button in the top right corner. Only one reason that you should really cancel this way, and that is if you are not able to safely transport the cargo. For any other reason, call the customer support team and let us know, or you can hit never mind, I'll do the project. So if for some reason you need to pause the project, you can hit the pause button and you can see that that stops the clock. This would be for situations where maybe if you had to stop and get gas in between, for any other reason, if you had to take a break and you don't want to charge the customer for that time, you can hit pause, and then when you're ready to start working again, you can hit resume. Now, once the cargo has been successfully delivered to the drop-off address, you can hit the End Project button. Now, once you hit End Project, it's going to show you the total number of minutes, so you can confirm if the time was correct. And now here you can add a customer expense if you needed to. So type in the amount, the name, and then also you can take a picture of the receipt. It will allow you to attach that to the app and to the project so the customer can verify that it was accurate. So make sure you attach a receipt for any additional customer expense. And when you do, you can hit Done. And that will add the customer expense, as you can see. And there's also a separate one here for a dumping expense, which we use here for adding a dumping fee. There's a dumping fee. You can hit dump fee $37. You could take a picture of the receipt, which is really important as well. For some reason, you forgot to hit the start button at the right time, or if you hit the end button at the wrong time and you need to adjust the pickup or drop off time, you can hit this last blue button on the bottom and then hit the clock on the top to adjust the pickup time. So let's say you actually picked this item up today at 11:30 a.m. and the accurate drop off time was 12:30 p.m. Then you hit calculate price just to verify. And if it is accurate, just hit done. And then you hit next. And it will once again ask you to verify the time, cost, the additional equipment costs, and the customer expenses. And then you are able to rate your experience with the customer. And you can provide written feedback as well as the number of stars. Hopefully they're all 5-star customers for you. And that's it. You're all done. You can now go back and review previous projects that you've completed. This most recent one that we did for John is right here. You can go back and check the time and the total costs and your total earnings. Don't forget to invite your friends to test out GoShare. It's a really great service thanks to drivers like you. So make sure that you invite your friends to join, let them test it out. They'll save a little bit. You'll make some more money. And if you want to hand out your promo code to total strangers who might be interested, it could be a business owner, someone who has a furniture store maybe, or a construction company even. We're there to help, and we serve a lot of different customers. So help us by spreading the word, and we'll both make a lot of money here. If you have any questions, please email drivers@goshare.co, and we will help answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.